everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a week at university as a first year student. These are honestly one of my favourite videos to watch on YouTube and I've never done one before, so I thought I would do one for you. My goal with this video is strictly just to share some inspiration, maybe some motivation for eating healthily, and just honestly give you some recipe ideas. I of course obviously want to say that everyone eats different amounts and everybody is different. I will eat different amounts on different days. Honestly, it just varies from day to day what I like to eat, and I just want to show you what I've been enjoying eating and making since I've been back at university, because I've been loving getting back into cooking and putting more effort into my meals again. I just find it really fun and really rewarding when you put some effort into a nice healthy meal that's really yummy, and so I thought I would share some meal ideas with you. So I thought I would start off this video by showing you my weekly food shop. This will actually probably last me 1 to 2 weeks. So I have a butternut squash. I'm going to use this in a soup, and I just thought the size of this was so cute. I've never seen such a small one before. I also got some of these Nature Valley peanut butter like cereal bar things. These are one of my favorite snacks to have because I love peanut butter. It's basically my favorite food and these just taste amazing. I also got some Quaker oats. I was running out of oats. I usually get them from Lidl, but I was in Asda, so yeah, I had to get these because the Asda own oats come in like a bag and I thought a box would be a lot easier. I got some spinach. There's so much spinach in this bag, but I use it in like smoothies, salads, and hopefully I'll get through a decent amount of it. Got some hummus. This hummus is so yummy. Some green beans, cucumber, some low calorie Ben & Jerry's ice cream. This is the chocolate cookie dough flavor. I've had this before and it's so good. I have such a sweet tooth, so I love having this kind of thing in for a pudding after dinner. I got some mixed bean salad, which I'll put into like a taco bowl mixture thing for when I make taco bowls. I got 2 of these little spicy vegetable couscous mixes. These will just be useful for like salads or nourish bowls. A pack of 2 avocados, a big box of blueberries. I eat so many blueberries now. I used to hate them, now I love them, put them in everything. Some tomatoes, a bit of gum. I was running out of gum. I got some falafel. This falafel is so nice and it's a good sort of meat replacement, I feel like. I don't know if it has much protein in it. What does it say? 8.4 grams of protein per 4 falafels. And then I also got pepper nut peanut butter in smooth and crunchy because I use both for different things, and I wanted to try the pepper nut peanut butter for ages, so I thought I would because it was on offer, but I usually use the Meridian one and I love Meridian peanut butter. I got 2 of these little Amy's burrito things. These are gluten-free and vegan and they basically are just cheddar, rice and bean burritos. Shove them in the microwave and they taste amazing. They're usually really expensive, but they were on offer for £1, so I decided to get 2. I got some ready cooked chicken breast. I honestly barely eat any meat, so I honestly just get this because I can chuck it on a meal and just have a little bit of extra protein. It's pretty much only the chicken and the cooked ham that I have in terms of meat, or like sausages sometimes, but this I got for making an omelette as well, cheese and ham omelette. And also with these meals, most of them will be vegetarian, and if they're not vegetarian, it's probably just because I've chucked some chicken or ham in, and you could definitely use some kind of replacement like falafel, tofu, corn, honestly anything like that. I got some fat-free Greek style yogurt. This one has more protein in it than the full fat Greek yogurt, so I thought that was great, and I honestly prefer the texture of this. I don't know why, but I do. Got some mayonnaise. This is perfect for putting with tuna, and I don't have any mayonnaise at the moment because it went out of date. Got some tender stem broccoli tips. Got some of these Fibre One milk chocolate popcorn bars. I've never tried these before, but I thought they looked really nice, and I've kind of been wanting some more snacky things like this. I got a frozen pizza. Yes, it's Hawaiian, so it has pineapple on pizza. Don't come for me. I really like it, but yeah, this was on offer, and I think it's so useful to have a pizza in the freezer for when you're having a rough day and you just want something easy to cook and you don't want to think about cooking. And then the final thing in my whole food shop was just a bag of bananas because these are so useful. Put them in protein shakes, on toast, on their own. I freeze them as well for smoothie bowls. I got up kind of early to go and do this food shop. I did it at 9 AM, so that means I haven't had breakfast yet. I had a coffee this morning, as you will have seen, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get some breakfast now. I'm gonna make some porridge, and porridge is perfect for me because I'm gonna go and do leg day at the gym today, and I feel like porridge will give me enough energy to get through leg day. Porridge is one of my favorite breakfasts. I love having really plain porridge, literally just like oats, cinnamon, sultanas, peanut butter, chia seeds, and I love it so much. So that's what I'm gonna make for breakfast today. So I really hope you will enjoy this video, and let's just get straight into what I eat in a week.
Blinded by your missed calls. next time I know you won't. And I'm not upset, I'm just in bed thinking of you.
So I've just finished my breakfast and I have about 10 minutes until I have to be on the bus to the gym, and I'm just going to take some pre-workout now. I use the PhD Charge all-in-one pre-workout in the flavour Grape Candy. It's not the nicest flavour, but I just really like taking pre-workout. I don't really know if it helps me that much, but I feel like even if it's just placebo and gives me more energy and makes me do a better workout, then I'll take that. I just do like a scoop of this with about 150 millilitres of water and then shake it and down it, because it's not like the nicest thing ever. I also just want to say, I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but like with me, I'm still working on my relationship with food. I feel like so many people don't have a perfect relationship with food, and I definitely don't. But recently I feel like because I've been going to the gym a lot and just being very active, going swimming, going on long walks, I've been really just focusing my goal on getting stronger, being active, being healthy and fit, and that's definitely helped to improve my relationship with food, and it's made me a lot happier. And I just wanted to sort of mention this because I feel like it's so hard to get caught up in diet culture and everything, and I feel like seeing food as fuel is very important. I mean, obviously it's different for everyone. Everyone sees food differently. Food is amazing, food is tasty, but food is also fuel, and all food is fuel. There is no bad food. Yeah, I just wanted to say that because I don't want this video to come across as me trying to promote any particular kind of diet or way of eating. This is just how I like to eat, and I also keep it very simple because I'm a student, you know? So not all of my meals are going to be the healthiest, but I do try to eat healthily. And yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because I feel like it's important with this kind of video to talk about that kind of thing, because it is important to me as well, and it's definitely a touchy subject. I'm gonna go to the gym now, take my pre-workout, and then I'll see you later for my post-workout snack. So I've been back from the gym for a little while, but I just had to do some work before my 3 p.m. seminar, and now I'm gonna grab some lunch. I'm gonna make a little protein smoothie, protein shake kind of thing, and this is the protein that I have. This is the PhD Diet Whey protein. This is the Belgian chocolate one. I also have it, I also have it in vanilla. I actually really like it. This is the first protein I've ever tried, and it's genuinely so nice. I know so many people hate the protein that they have, but I really like this one. The chocolate one's my favorite over the vanilla, but I do like them both. I use them in different things, you know, and I like making different flavor smoothies. So yeah, I'm gonna go and make a protein shake now, and I'll show you how I do it.
building now. Well, I've got so many thoughts. If I could text you, then my number would be locked. Whoa, I've made things complicated, and that's not an overstatement. Since our love has been sedated, made things so complicated.
Pleaseee.